Hello guys, today today I am here to explain you about contactless tachometer. So this is the picture of normal tachometer. It will make contact with the rotational body and it will generate some voltage, and from that it will show you the RPM. So in contactless tachometer, uh, it will not make any contact with the rotational body. So if you attach such a blade and such a fan to the rotating body, from using IR sensor, we can measure its RPM. So for this particular fan, it has 4 blades. So if you put this fan in front of an IR sensor, when it when this gap comes, the reading will be 0. When this blade comes, the reading will be high. So it is going to generate pulses. So using that pulses, by counting that pulses, we can calculate its RPM, rotation per minute. So I have done it using Arduino and Labview. So I have interfaced Arduino to the Labview. So I have used an IR sensor module, and the sensor pin will be digital pin 9 of Arduino. So I have connected that sensor input to the digital pin 9 of the Arduino. So let me explain the program. So Arduino board will be initialized and it will be sent to the series of while loops. So in this particular while loop, this one sensor module I have connected. So you can obtain that Arduino, that IR sensor directly in the sensor palette. So here you can see IR sensor. So I have made this pin 9. So when the sensor sends the object, this particular output becomes high. So we should calculate those pulses. So I have put one case structure inside this loop. So initially, let us consider it is 0, so that the gap will come. So it will check the condition. So this will be true, and it will enter this particular while loop. So when this enters this while loop, again it measures the reading until it becomes high. It will be in this particular while loop only. So this particular structure will wait for that pin to become high. Means in our fan, it will wait until the next blade to come. So when the next blade comes, this will be false. So it will go out of the case structure. So it will come to this particular problem. So increment. So this this loop counter will be incremented. So I will be incremented once. So next it will be high, and it will go to this structure, this particular structure. So here again I have put one while loop. So it will again take the reading. It will wait until in this while loop until it becomes low. So after it becomes low, it will exit this particular structure and come to this while loop again. So I will be again incremented. So you can see that when one blade cuts the IR sensor, the I will be incremented twice. So I have taken this reading for 1 second. So I have taken this reading for 1 second. So here is the counter. It will wait for 100 milliseconds, and this will send the timing data to this while loop using a global variable. So remember that you cannot directly send data from one while loop to the another while loop. So you have to use some two techniques, or you can use global variables. So this particular while loop will write to this global variable numeric, and you can access that variable in the another while loop. So when this become 1 second, this while loop is going to terminate, and it will do the calculation. So calculation will be pretty simple. For one cutting of a blade, it will be implemented twice, so you have to divide it by 2. Next, I have given on control the number of blades you can enter in the front panel. It will divide by that. So I have taken reading for 1 second. So I have to multiply it by 60 to calculate the rotation per minute. Okay, it is the program. So let's run this. So here you can see the RPM. So I have not connected the wheels. So here you can see the rotation per minute. So let me increase the speed. So when I slow down, so reading will be updated per second. So here you can see the Y is nothing but the number of blades in your fan. In my fan there is only one blade. So using Labview and Arduino, you can easily measure the rotation per minute of an object without making any contact with that object. Thank you.